And what makes an enterprise organization ready for Agile practice? How can an organization prepare and mature their Agile practices?
First of all, I think the organizations first need to want to change. And most often, sadly enough, the desire to change is caused by current practices not delivering the anticipated successes the company expects to have. And it could be financial, technical, organizational, business-related needs. So the shift to Agile requires time, resources, and financial investment. So the companies that want to shift need to remember, can they afford it? They also need to ask themselves some deep questions. Are they willing to reorganize their teams and have dedicated product owners, delivery teams, and scrum masters? Do they have the right individuals to be the mascot of Agile implementation and can be self-organizing?
Excellent. Thank you.